Good morning, or good afternoon, or whatever. I am doing an unbagging of the original Cocoa Owl I was supposed to get from the Elena Store. They sent me the wrong one by accident because their codes were mixed up in their computer. But they were nice enough. They sent it to me. I got it. So I can't put down how much I paid for it because I got it for free because I got the wrong one at first. So this is from the Elena Store, E-L-E-N-A store from Aliexpress. So we're going to open this together because it's not even open, just even a little bit. I'm going to back you guys up just so you guys can see what on my table here. Here we go. Every time I press record, it brings the view closer. So I thought I had the table down for you guys. Let me do it a little bit more without my camera going bloop on me. All right, so let's get going. Hopefully it's the right one. I hope so. Don't mind me, my allergy sinus is a wreck. It is the right one. Oh, and they gave me a little gift. I didn't get a gift with the first one. I mean the wrong one. I don't think I did. But this is actually a one I've been looking for. It says love. Okay, camera. Now you don't want to love, love, love. And it has a little rose coming up the side. So that is cute. I know now sun comes in, sun doesn't want to come in. It's been rainy all day and yesterday here in Pennsylvania. Now they're getting it in Connecticut. So I hope you guys can see that really good. All right. But it is the Cocoa Owl. See, I told you guys. Look like she's holding a cup of cocoa. Cocoa, cocoa, cocoa. So let's take a quick look. Now there will be no inventory sheet because they go off a Huracan. So hopefully all the drills will be fine. I know people were having problems with Huracan. So I just got done with that 80 by 60. I made a video before this one showing you guys it being completed and how I had problems with two drills. One was I was short on, didn't have any more colors, and then the other one, so much tape on this, I didn't, the drills were just crazy. They were like drunk. They were like slanted, like what's that, trapezoids? They weren't completely straight. They were like 3821, that color was so bad. And the 310s, I forgot to say that in the video. The 310s were bad also. The 310s were smaller than the grid line. So when I'm putting them down, I had all this space at the end of the row of 310s that I had to put down. I'm so glad I didn't have a lot of 310s in that one, because that would have been terrible. Let me get my garbage out of here, but this is cut into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And that is it's a 30 by 30, 34 colors. And hopefully you get a better shot of the picture there because I do not have an inventory sheet. But see, she's holding a little cup of cocoa. And then you see around the sides, you get like the fall colors. And there are acorns and like cranberries or holly berries, but I think they're cranberries. And some leaves are yellow and orange and red. See, I think that was nice. I thought that was so cute. This is what I wanted at first, but I got the one with the little April shower one. I guess that one we'll call that one because she's holding an umbrella. So let's open this up. That's why I want to get my table in here so you guys can see what I'm doing over here. Nothing wrong with the back of it. Like I said, I got a canvas one time that had a burn mark on it, but it wasn't on the actual picture, which is awesome. So we will open this and then we'll check our colors real quick. Just try to straighten it out. And since it's 3 sections, kind of never get them go back down right. Let me see if I get you guys to see. Never works out. The drill field is clear. So that's nice. And you already see the leaves and the berries and the cup of cocoa. But let's open it up more so you guys can see. the full details. Yeah, I have to watch what I'm doing because I'm also taking some of the glue up with my nail, which is not a good sign. The symbols look clear, but the colors make it look crazy. She looks like a crazy owl. Look at the eyes. Woo woo. But yeah, this is a nice size too. It's not too big, not too small. It's just right. Let's do the other side real quick, just to get this to lay flat. But I'm happy, you know. It was a little miscommunication. They were telling me this is the one you order, you got the right one, because the numbers were, like I said, were messed up. But I had to tell them, no, your system was wrong. You guys entered it wrong. The coding was off on their screen in general. So then they noticed it, you know, because we type in English and then they have to translate it in Chinese for them. And remember, China reads from right to left. Unlike us, we read left to right. So, you know, just a little communication. But when they find out what I was trying to really say, they apologized. They said, no problem, we'll send you out the right one for free. Just give us a good review on the other one you did get. And I did, because everything came in fine. The inventory was good. The canvas is clear. There are no rivers. You can see through the light. No rivers. It came in fantastic. So I had to give them a good review, even though it was the wrong one, because they took care of it. They were nice about it. So you know what? It's pretty awesome. I only have 151 310s that I need. Let's see what I have the most of. The color that I have the most of is color 3865, which is 5,344, which is the white. But all the other colors, the second most, is 679, and that's color 224, which I think is like a light pink. But yeah, 3756, I think I said, the white color. So that's the most I have because I'm doing the white. Yeah, 3865, I'm sorry. Other than that, all the other ones are 593 of the 666, which is the red. And then basically the rest are, oh no, I'm sorry. The most I have, the second most, is color 945, 781. But other than that, some of these colors are like 467 and less on each color. It's not a lot of, you know, I'm not gonna have like a million colors that I'm doing with, you know, a million times putting them down. I use tweezers on my squares, which this is a square. I just feel it's easier to use. The glue for the bag came off, which is okay. Let me make sure my canvas is square. Yes, it is. Okay. But even the bag has the right stuff on there. But like I said, I'm so used to doing that big one. I couldn't wait to get that 60 by 80 done, 80 by 60, whatever way you want to say it. Because that was driving me crazy. I wanted new scenery. So that was driving me crazy. But I am wearing red today. Red Friday. If you don't know what that means, it's for, red stands for remember everyone deployed. Because from when last time I heard, we still have troops in Afghanistan. I'm so surprised we do. I didn't think we would. I thought we were done over there. My naive, I guess. But I really thought we were done over there. Is that pretty purple? Color 208. You know, our pastor, associated pastor, just told us his son's being deployed in January. And he has a little one that I think just turned 1 or not even 1. So these are my 3865. I got the big Incredible Hulk bag. That's what I call them. I'm just going to try to put these in order so we can do inventory. So give me 1 minute. All right, all my colors are here. Inventory is awesome. I can't complain. What am I doing here? Sorry, I covered up my sheet over here. All right. Yeah. So I didn't know we were in Afghanistan, so I thought we were done. But so just if you guys are praying people, pray for them. You know, I thought we were done. You know, pray for our first responders, especially on the holiday season. I know some people are just like, well, they knew what they were getting into and blah 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 before they did it. So you know that's on them. But there are people out there that sacrifice to help those who can't. Like, I have, you know, off subject, but I have a brother-in-law who is a detective, and he's part of the Special Victims Unit. And the unit he is in deals with people who do sex crimes against children. Sorry. So, you know, the stuff he deals with on a daily, trying to act like he's friends with people that harm these children to get answers out of them. He says, you know how many times I want to go over the table and just beat the mess out of this guy? But I have to sympathize with him in order to have him talk to me. He was like, I hate doing it, but someone has to do it. So that's why I get a little upset when you hear in the news people get mad at police officers, and you don't know what those police officers seen before they pull you over for a routine traffic stop. So, you know, they might have a little bit of an attitude because of the last call they were on. Like one call he was on, he had to go to this house because someone called the cops on this lady. She was a drug addict. He goes there and you got 2 small children covered in feces, dirty diapers all over the place. He said he had to leave that house because he couldn't take it, seeing what these kids were living in. Then he had to do his routines, you know, traffic stops after, and deal with people yelling, why are you pulling me over? And it's like, you know how hard it is to refrain from wanting to smack the person because you just did something wrong. You know you were speeding, but you're giving me an attitude. And I have other stuff to deal with that are embedded in your brain that you can never unsee. So, just pray for them. I know it's, off subject, but especially around the holiday season, people just act crazy, like I said in my previous videos. Running around, not obeying traffic laws in general, and then they get mad at the cops when they get pulled over. Like, a law is a law. You're not better than it. I'm sorry, everyone. You might get away with it a couple times, but eventually everything catches up with you. You know how that is. We got to tell our teenagers that too. But some nice colors. I'm going to put the camera in the other view so you guys can see the colors. They're so pretty and bright, and a lot of pinks and reds, and there's some blues there, some purples. So let's get to the other view. All right, it comes with the standard toolkit with the 3-placer. I think that's a 9-placer. Wax and tweezers. But I just wanted to show this. And it comes with a nice white tray. Alright, here's the other view. These are all my colors, and I put them this way, even though you can't really see all the DMC numbers, but you get to see all the colors. So, these are some really pretty colors. I know some people don't like seeing the inventory, but I know some people like seeing the pretty colors. I know I do, because I still haven't received all the colors of the DMC rainbow yet. So it's good when you get colors that you didn't have before. You're like, ooh, I never had that color. Like 38, 37, 38, 05, I never had. I don't think I ever had 208. I might have some of these colors. Like this is a dark, dark purple. I might have some of these colors, but I haven't worked with them yet. I like that dark blue. I want a vehicle that color so bad. But yeah, those are all my colors. Everything's here. This is from the Elena Store. And it's the cocoa. Well, you'll probably get a better view from this because, like I said, selfie mode, it just looks blurry. So, there you go. Look like she's holding a little cup of cocoa. You see a little white in the cup? So yeah, like I said, the codes were mixed up on their store in Aliexpress. But they sent me the right ones. They're really nice about it. And these are all the different symbols. All the crazy symbols. Let me get some of my colors out the way, sorry. You know. But it'll be fun to do. I can't wait to start it. Oh, those two symbols are going to be a pain. What's that, GMB? Focus. Yeah, GMB. No, not too bad. I thought they were hearts with different colors. That's the heart right there. But yeah. So thank you for watching. Have a good, blessed holiday, Christmas. And I probably won't be doing any other videos anymore unless I'm doing a whip after Christmas. But we'll see. The kids are home. Like I said, I don't like recording when my kids are home. So more likely be in January. So have a good time. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.